In Arizona, lots of people want to be in their yards and take advantage of like kind of the dream yards. And we have the perfect people here. We have Glenn Thompson and Greg Rowland from Growland. And you guys can do start to finish all the good stuff, right?
We can. Right. We can take it all the way from the initial meeting, figuring out what you want to do with the property, decide whether or not you need a design, and then execute the design, work with you throughout that whole process, and then turn that design into a full constructed masterpiece, if you will, in your backyard, your own little oasis, if you want to call it that. And then when it's all said and done, we don't disappear.
Yes, because then you still come out and fix any problems, because I know Glenn loves coming to my house. Right?
I love repairs.
I know. You can fix all the good stuff and then maintain it as well.
Yep. Absolutely. We have full 100% service from the design stages all the way through construction and into maintenance to keep your property looking great once it's all done. And there's just not a lot of companies out there that can claim to do all that.
Which is true. And obviously do it correctly and make it just, like you said, your little oasis. I love it. It is. Like I said, it's a dream yard. Everybody does. They want to be, whether it's in the front or backyard, you want to be able to really enjoy being in Arizona. There are a lot of times during the year that that's where you want to be. So I like that you can kind of create that.
You know, and you want to be able to have that one call that you can make throughout the whole process.
Oh, yeah.
So that you're not trying to figure out who you're supposed to call. We can be that one-stop shop, if you will. And, you know, again, I would invite everyone to look us up online. And you'll see us on your show and on Facebook, and I mean, we're just all over the internet.
Well, and they'll find out all the good stuff about you. So
and not just landscape either. You know, from your house, pavers,
oh, yeah.
artificial turf, erosion control.
There's
lighting.
a lot. Yes, as we're pointing out, there's a lot from my house. So everybody needs to pick up the phone, call you, or go to the website and get started with you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.